everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Chase. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing today. So I bought some goodies. One of these, I know what both of them is, but yeah, so we're just gonna get started. And yeah, so this is from Amazon. This is my steamer that I bought for my hair and face. It's so small. I expected it to be bigger, but okay. And they have so many on Amazon that you can choose from. So you just gonna have to go to get on Amazon and type in steamer and see what pop up. Instructions, I guess I'm gonna need those. What is this? Oh, so because it's a these are like extracting tools, I guess. A little headband, that's cute. Then you have, okay, all right. So let me cut this open. Oh Lord, I don't have time. I gotta cut this. Okay. Dang, I gotta cut all these packaging off all this stuff. Okay, directions. What I'm doing. Okay. Cool the product for at least 10 minutes. Oh, product cleaning and maintenance. It don't need to be clean. Do not use never ask. Okay, product should not be used by persons. And okay. Please use distilled or purified water. Due to the different water quality, using some water may shorten the using of product. It is recommended that you use distilled or purified water. The following types of water contain higher minerals, therefore it cannot be used. Okay, alkaline water. Plug. Okay. So it looks like this. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to read this. Okay. We have 20 seconds. Okay, so I'm guessing I pour... How much water do you pour up in here? I need to go get me a water bottle. Actually, what happened, water? Okay. I have me a little water. So we just gonna use this. Cause I have a little water in here. What directions go? Okay. Boom. It says... But where do you pour the water? Do you pour it in here? I'm not trying to do this wrong. Step 1, maintain flat surface. Use scale measuring water to the tank. Do not exceed maximum water level. Okay, so we're gonna pour the water in here, I guess. And we're not gonna exceed the water level. So just about there. And I'm guessing you pour the water in here. Okay. And then you're supposed to put this on. And twist it. And I guess you plug it up, turn power on. Okay, cool. Cool. Now I'm not gonna use this on my hair right now because my hair is already done, so it doesn't need to be refreshed. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. It's on. Y'all hear that? It's steam. Oh, it's hot too. It sounds like an iron turning on. Okay. Okay, it just had to warm up. But it's steam coming out of it. Okay, cool. Okay, so I turned it off. And then we're just gonna open this. these are like the tools. So you get like an extractor and this shit. And this. So these are just like some extracting tools. And it comes in that. And then you get a little headband. Get a little headband. This is cute. I'm gonna probably get this to my niece because yeah. And then so yeah, that's cool. It's gonna be good to use for my hair. I don't really steam my face. I don't really have a desire to steam my face because I don't have face issues, you know what I'm saying? For the most part, my skin is very clear. Now this is, I've been waiting on this for a minute. This was supposed to be in my hygiene haul, but it didn't come in time. So yeah. I do have another haul coming. It's called TikTok Made Me Buy It. So these are actually going to be in that haul as well. But I wanted to unbox it on camera with y'all. Just to unbox it because it's right here. My body washes. So I bought 2. It took a minute to come, but it's fine. These are my native body washes. Yes, ma'am. So as y'all know, I already have the deodorant to this, but I was waiting on the body washes to come. So yeah, now they're here. But like I said, this is going to be in my other hygiene haul because yeah. When I smelled the deodorant, I was like, I gotta get the body wash. So yeah. And I like how on the back it actually tells you like what the product is. So it says water, you know this one. Cocodimfrophil. It's a cleanser from coconut oil, sodium chloride, table salt to thicken the body wash. Sodium lauryl is a cleansing salt. Sodium cocoa, whatever the hell that is, it is a cleanser from coconut oil. The fragrance is tie-dye vanilla cupcake. The sodium salt, food grade salt, food grade acid for pH balance, and then citrus lemon is lemon peel oil. And I like how it just gives you like what's in your shit, you know. So yeah, I got 2 of these. And yeah, y'all, that is it. The rest of my hygiene stuff is going to be here tomorrow. So I'm going to do another hygiene unboxing because I just can't stay off of Target website for some reason. It's always something to buy on at Target. That's literally where most of my money goes, Target, because I don't know, I just love hygiene, and you know, finding new products and stuff is just what I like, you know what I'm saying? And I don't think it's a problem with that. Like, I have a Target addiction, but most of the stuff that I buy from Target is like hygiene related. So I feel like that's a good addiction to have. You know what I'm saying? At least, you know, I smell good and I wash my ass. You get what I'm saying? I'm not buying like bullshit. This is stuff that I'm actually gonna use and I'm actually gonna run out of. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is body wash, so I'm actually gonna use this, you know? And yeah, so these are the 2 body washes. I'm not gonna need body wash for a minute. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I bought, but I can just tell y'all I'm not gonna need body wash for a good little minute. If I buy any more body wash, that's just greedy because I don't need no more. Okay, but yeah, these are so cute. My Native body washes. Y'all, this smells absolutely divine. These smell divine. Oh, I'm going, yes ma'am, I'm gonna love using that. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, do you have a steamer? Do you like steaming your hair? What's tea? Let me know. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.